right, this is an 8th grade PSSA math problem, and you're not allowed to use a calculator for this one. So let's take a look. A national park covers approximately 3 times 10 to the 5th power acres of land. That's scientific notation, boys and girls. A state park covers approximately 5 times 10 to the 3rd acres of land. The land area of the national park is approximately how many times as many acres as the land area of the state park? Whenever you're trying to find how many times something is bigger than the other thing, you're going to do some division. So what we're going to do is we are going to divide 3 times 10 to the 5th. So let me get my colors. 3 times 10 to the 5th by 5 times 10 to the 3rd. Now, I'm going to look at these as two separate things. Okay, the 3 over 5 is just 3 over 5. There's not much I can do about that right there. 10 to the 5th over 3 to the 5th, we have terms that are the same exact base, one living in the numerator, one living in the denominator. And you may remember that if you have terms of the same base, okay, and you have one divided by the other, you subtract the terms. So in this case, we're going to do 10 to the 5 minus 3, which is 10 squared. Now, okay, if this was scientific notation, I would think, okay, 3 over 5 is 0.6, so 0.6 times 10 squared. Now, this is still not scientific notation because 0.6 is too small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 0.6 right here. I'm going to move it to the right once to make it 6.0, and if I move it to the right, I have to multiply 10 to the negative 1. 6.0 times 10 to the negative 1 is 0.6. So I have to write out times 10 squared next to it, like so, and then recognize that, oh, hold on, these guys are next to each other. And when you multiply terms of the same base, you add the exponents, so negative 1 plus 2 is just 10. Either 10 to the 1st or 10. So I get 6.0 times 10 to the 1st. Now, I did all this knowing very well, I don't care that my answer is in scientific notation or not. They just want the regular number. So 6 times 10 is 60. The answer is C. I just went a little bit above and beyond because why not? I wanted you guys to see what scientific notation looks like.